Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Stock Market Show. This is your host, Shades. I got a short, sweet, to the point video for you today. BBAI, I have not talked about this one in a long time. This pumped to $5, came right back down to 287, then pumped again, forming a shoulder. And this is a very clear, in my opinion, very clear shoulder, head, shoulder. The last time we had a shoulder, we dropped down to $2.60. Then we pumped to 5, came right back down to around $3. So the question is, if this shoulder is going to play out like last time, it should come down nice and cheap to around $3, which would then be an opportunity to take advantage of that $3 level, because that's going to be our support around $3. That's assuming the pattern plays out. But very clear head and shoulders. So I'm watching this one for $3 because I would like to scoop some shares down there. Whether it comes down there or not, we'll see, because we do have President Trump taking office tomorrow and apparently going to execute a bunch of executive orders. So how is the market going to react? That is the question. Anyone asking me what do I think? I don't know. We have to wait and see. We have to wait and see how the market reacts to Trump and whatever he decides to do in terms of tariffs, executive orders, etc., etc. For the time being, bullish on BBAI long term, but I'm trying to scoop shares as cheap as possible. With regards to news, I don't think I haven't talked about this one in a while. What has happened to this one that it's holding up very well compared to the other quantum AI robotic stocks? Like all the other ones did not form a head and shoulders. They just dropped like a hotcake. So what? New CEO? Is that what happened? Is that it? Has there been anything else? Just the appointment of a CEO at Kevin? Okay, so nothing interesting has happened. I thought they had some big news. Why did this surge? Stock surges on CEO shakeup. That's it? I thought there had been something more interesting happening these past couple of months. Because these guys don't like to drop news so often. But we have some analyst ratings. I'm curious about the analyst ratings. What do they have to say? $7? Wow, he thinks it's worth $7. HC Wainwright. I shouldn't call it a he, but HC Wainwright sees it at 7. So it's almost essentially half off right now. But I wouldn't listen to analysts. I would wait to see again. If they think it's worth 7, then let it come down nice and cheap to 3. Then if it does go to even 6, that's double your money. So that's the game plan if you're using them as a price target. I don't know if I want to use them as a price target. I'm pretty sure they use AI. Yeah, I'm pretty sure they use AI to come up with these price targets. Big Bear AI Holdings buy rating affirmed and amid cost control and significant contract win. They see it at $3. All right, so there you go. I think we all know the play here. Get in at 3 and be ready to sell it at around 6. That would give you a nice 100%er. Even if it just goes to 450, from $3 to 450. I mean, if you bought down here at 3, it created this other shoulder at around 450. So 50%er right there. There's money to be made on this one. Again, going to be highly dependent on how the market reacts to Trump. I got my eyes on all these AI stocks. The question is, which one is going to give me the best opportunity to get cheap shares, right? Because I do believe a lot of these AI stocks are going to be worth more than where they're at right now. But it's going to take time, and we just have to be disciplined and patient and wait. All right, guys, that's it for the video. Short, sweet, to the point. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. I will see you in the next one.